Hi, here for the backflow test?
Yeah, you can see it on the right of the wall. You see it?
That's a pressure vacuum breaker.
No, next to it.
Ah, yes. Okay, that's what we're testing?
Right. Yeah, if you can test that, that'd be great. And then everything is under the...
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Well, this is definitely a unique install. Why? Whatever. All right. Top to bottom. Let's lower this. Well, that one sure looked like it failed. Let's try that again. Close B. Close shutoff valve number 1. Open test port number 3. Actually, nope. Drop 2 PSID. No, she fails. Well, let's double check. Number 1, direction of flow, top to bottom, indicator of that arrow. We blew off the test cocks. We tested check valve number 1. We're going to test check valve number 2, high pressure hose, test port number 4. We're going to bleed the high pressure hose. Make sure that's open. Good. We're going to bleed the high pressure hose by opening A and B on the test kit. We're going to close B. Close shot valve number 1. Needle should stay pegged on the high side, which it does. Slowly open B until it drops to 2 PSID. And it continues to drop. If the needle will not drop to 2 PSID, then shut-off elbow 1 is faulty. If it holds, continue to the next step, but we're not even holding there. And it was closed. Test that again. Close one. See, it's dropping. Failed.